Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you're going to learn on how to post on TikTok 2024. So first is you must have the TikTok application and then logged in or sign up for an account. Now that you're here, you just have to click on this button at the bottom center of your screen. And then from here, you just have to select your gallery at the bottom right corner of your screen to select a specific video or image that you want to upload on TikTok. So for example, I want to upload this one. So just click on it. And then after that, you can add a sound by clicking on this add sound button at the top center of your screen. So right here, you can select the sound that is related to your post, to your video or image. So I'll be using this one for baby dog, doggy. And then just click on this original sound. You have to uncheck that one. And then you can also adjust the volume. Then after that, you can also click on this icon right here, this arrow. And then you'd be able to save this one directly to your gallery by scrolling down and be able to see here the save button. And then after that, you will then just have to click on next. And right here, you can type out your caption or you can add a hashtags. So you just have to type out your caption or add a hashtags right here that is related to your post. Okay, so for example, hashtag dog, and then you just have to select it. And then after it, you just have to tag people, locations, it's up to you, and then just click and post. And after that, your image or videos will be uploaded on TikTok. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.